After keeping out of the public eye since her resignation as chair of the Democratic National Committee on July 24th, U.S. Representative Debbie Wasserman Schultz chose to step back into the spotlight at a town hall event in Sunrise that focused on bringing law enforcement and the black community together.
After we had explosive events happen in Ferguson, in Baltimore, in so many communities around the country, and Congressman Hastings and I both recognized that that tension existed in Broward County, but had not yet really reached the surface, but that it could. And we wanted to make sure that we could bring our law enforcement, our elected, and our community leadership together to start to have dialogue about how to strengthen those relationships. And the thing that stuck with me, right at the very, very beginning, at the time, a young lady at Dillard High School was the student body president. She came to our first roundtable discussion, and she stood and told us all, this was in the sheriff's conference room, that in her community, young people, when they faced danger and saw a law enforcement officer, their instinct was to run away from law enforcement rather than run towards law enforcement, because they didn't view police officers as a refuge. And we knew that we had to change that mindset, and it is through dialogue and meetings and the task forces that we've been able to set up in high schools all around the county, working with the Urban League, and town halls like this one, that we can really try to make sure that we rebuild trust, that we focus on community policing.